mean, now so good. So Jibril say we share Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So quickly, but me first that can say so ma adofo nyina betai mechi ebra na yedi me papa eye ne na wotweda wo officers mess Kumasi de nyame with the obibia ase aseda kese nkoma obibia obeta mechi baby bia free ni de ohwe bia no me say ready say on share one name na afi nananom so amopegia amomu kumawu manhene bema safotwene bo akodua kuna manhene nana kumanim na munyina monkwaso afenso me krom ayemfo ba yina ene ayema edutwumwa emrosa papa bi na ayema morning na onkwaso ode no kwabnansia ana osai kofi abriu amanhene papa bi munyina so me damase a ensa na countless of people me do bibia say in fact Daniel ni kwatai Titus Glover also medanase ono de na say roll call in Mr. Santimantem 1 week e sha say 12 by 11 etenase ya ni wi djumadi no we appreciate Kofi Job biadas State House in for paying ofusu Ampofo-Adjei era also so grateful to you Kwaku boy because ya keka Addo so yi wa wonti within bia facheme at the right time I'm sure say obi bia bedanase medamu ina mase we are back to studio. Honorable Nikwatai Titus Glover, Daniel Nikwatai Titus Glover. Madawase na masa mwachi. It was good to see you. Tete China minti mi hanajune because na ye dey na jawo biache. Eti bedasi pi se obai. Oh the China me you na many demolitions in Zuechi. Maybe we are most put a hold to it, right? Yeah. To be back Sunday me was that me and be were afraid of activity or more. Na kusi say I no play my NCT for. Yeah. Any or more. O candidates the din kunim di na wo no odi fita Addo amanfo ase that lady there. Is it say oh yeah is we candidate ni? We candidate ni me refugee throughout a process maintaining neutrality. Good. So na se be ya ni ebesi bia no betumi aka nipa e de abom. Yeah. Nti no so na esi akonu bia no e de asida kese e na e de bema ya nyankopon. Say especially Greater Accra yetumi aye your elections are enye bibia na call no se na yesi hwehwe no. Greater Accra a lot of challenges. In fact, challenges are as a result of printing. A lot of printing challenges. In terms delegates, no. And at this time also, because of division of more polling centers, delegates, Addo. And the last elections, some no a bit double. And to just imagine, say, okay, so we start elections 9 a.m. Now say you bought 12. Now, ballot documents and you're ready. Ebimu vote up to almost the next day 4 a.m. And so you declare results. But delegates were determined to make sure say ballots will be counted. And despite challenges, omujiremu etuaba. Great. And the abaso bode dear kesiye and the bemom because frustrations or move fame, it wasn't an easy thing. But at the end of the day, meeting I can say sanity aye pe ewo Greater Accra region. In terms of say pokwa ni sa nyama no ebe kofom no. Yeda Nyankopon say so far no in terms of ntokwa ni sa nyama no Greater Accra metumi aka say bibia economy ye delegates ni pe na almost suffer as a result of delays. Okay. Printing of the ballots. Okay. So stage ben am we see. Say no
almost 9 outstanding constituencies are here. 3 of the constituencies, you know, injunction. And I know no party, no share. I was so north. Shao Sudoku. Any friends saying, Mr. I was so north.
I was not
Shao Sudoku. Any Amasaman.
Regions near there will be in your qualified, and I say,
I was so north, no. There is an issue. Just suspended the former chairman. And I was a party, no, at the national level, no, a rule on that, on an appeal our filing, ruling in my, and you know, in order to make sure, say, Ubenya justice before the elections, Amudi, echo too, so, shall Sudoku, so no, you disqualify your former secretary for the constituency. And the reason was the fact, say, or admitted before the committee, and they say, and call for signing the documents, any other forms are or no feeling, you know, initials or yeah, you know, on one case, no, yeah, initials, you know, at the moment. Yeah, and the committee, no, or admitted before the committee, no, who say, no, want to mean yet, sad, you know, based on it, you know, disqualify, no, or see on TRC, and or the assembly, no, Akoma court.
Okay.
The injunction ni by any I was say yes so. Amasaman so okay the issue of fake cards. Yes. Party no your investigations and a party no.
The party do not issue fake cards.
Yeah ton your membership card no. About they say no bin so ebubo bi di gum. Nti about party no attention at the national level. And no more investigate here. Investigation mo here no. Echo chere say constituency chairman then no na odi side medie no nti no party no suspended no
okay
nti suspension no na ono so 1 year here and ono so odi akọ court nti no me sure say week we are no party no be share those cases no na omoni courts no are resolve our challenge.
Okay, so what stage and amoko where the elections amoko?
Where constituency elections.
Okay, so you are done almost 100%.
Yeah, almost. My friend say about 90%.
Okay, so what stage na amoko is regional?
Regional ya no cry share that. Me no can say you pick your forms. You go through vetting.
Oh, regional.
Yeah.
It's about to date in a more.
Yeah, yes.
When your date in the crowd.
Yes. That's on the 11th and 12th November.
11th and 12th.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Enti ya de ni nyina hihye mu. Enti untumi and take position wo constituency. Wenya na waka say wo ba region. And say wo take regional position. Wenya na wo say wo national. Oma close ni nyina.
That's a smart one.
Yeah.
But so far so.
Enti na me no ka say at the national level no ma for forms. Yenye elections no. Enti
ya block ko chance
enti untimi enko bia.
Ni kwata any bi abeso suggest mo mana. So far they've been so quiet and so decent.
Governor Mamimfa Kunya isu na mechia wa shofo nyina. Na menchia senior. Mehuna che. I know he's been working so tirelessly. You better was so said yeah we show papa no nyam. I really was touched. Me ba na unu na ebisa say na menu am be jade yene na is all part of the organization. Ba ni say na bibia ese wo sreso. Panche bia na me hu say we wuti awoba. Nti Mamimfa Akunya wo so na member wa baso for the way you really organize the 1 week. Na mati date no so ye ba bom pai say emene do anyame ma ye nkwane ahodi na ye beta wachi me free hold me ko berkum
yeah you know come
me ko berkum because o mama Emmanuel Amponsa ye berkum east organizer o emenu o madamfo o gine mu pa mame e wo bro mantemu ho no and I want both Bron and Bron East in the national organization. Yes, I want those two regions. And I was saying meko na what you done menya kwan
you want it
I want Bron I want Bron and Bron East and I was saying me got taibusi for ne okranfo any mano and me got 2 regional chairman any other regional executives former senior and Krabia Fadate any constituency executives Brikum West, Brikum East, Sunyani East and West, German North and South, and the 3 Doman areas in and Owodomo ye peja ni mono I was here the local party office ono the enko ya mani ye trading every the register of members in him na ye peja mono obi e de chiko party office wo he was a former assembly member and we de yako na ye de ba mabusiafo na ye ka menuanu de yi a ene anko senior ka say obi ko ye forgery say fraud say signature bi a mo ye investigation mo ye ene anko capture was fraud personal interest ma in these elections as tsunami hits incumbent executives quote and unquote na election there everybody say obi a won interest e wo na dep say senior de na SU obi opeso faculty kwan so just to win election wonim say woni dom na wa ko forge documentation thinking say e be a regional level no ehu sa na we be a good administrator like him or yedi petition beto the na so wonder so e one or two anamo no two ye no afi secretary nanga say e jatum say on one of 4G here and on send the signature now. That is a mark of a good leader to make sure say you sanitize your office and to make sure so be obedi position be a ewa manyo ni hu so what you say na say hu asem na wo di ba manyo sem a you don't have the moral authority what you say ube ye and ube kasa e de tia obi and me dey me dey say otomidi de nan edisi o na me wo brikum me da me ye meni abra me ye no na ye se meti eyi meridian FM baby omo to tema is elections no NDC for me go see state on magapo afo si ma tema for no former meridian FM e won change just a walking distance ye se makote wo corner bi wo na bi chase edi ma me na me ka wo me ka kire wo se mako chase ka me di ma omo go to aba na ya can be a say me na mago in chairman ya mom because
na we
me say no ya say me na mago yo on chairman ya mom me na me so the chance na me go team so oh adai na me go brekum enti me de say tema east akoso kama other places but me wo brekum me be do Kumasi and I was there Nasuame Deripa. Who social media said yes, say party property.
You know, more enthusiasm call high power for the NDC.
Ye. Now, Mami Fakunya was so many regional youth organizer, Raphael Akasa. Francois Semu Shamia, I was in the memoir. The NDC have a special strategy for Ashanti region.
It's unique and it's working for them.
I want to tell you, all those French aliens, the Burkinabés, the Nigerians, the Malays, they want to sneak them in to register the day of elections. It's a project. And your passport, Eddie Momo. Take care.
Debbie.
Oh, I know what I'm talking about. Me say, yes, because it's going to be an identity. I would buy registration. Even though Eddie see Eddie parliament, say by using Ghana card, Eddie I am telling you, this is a special project of the NDC to get 30% of Ashanti vote. And these are who governor Yakasa Komunka. Here come French. Dagoma line. Nyas was yeah, that is what they are using. Achuma, Kwahuma, Mponua, Nakanjame Fe.
But those are their seats already.
Achuma Kwahuma.
Seats.
No. Dagoma line, as someone says, their seat. But please, the presidential vote was to go up. It was to go up. And they were saying, Makacha Raphael. National organizer.
But I'll be surprised with the technique about in passport acquisition. And then
Yeah, Ghana for anything is possible. Okay. They catch them in penny for Ashanti region. Chama won't to me, Mr.
You should be worried because
yes, I should be worried.
NDC is very attractive in the Ashanti region.
I should be concerned. But so far, make us say so good. Na me happy about the Savos Esedun Ketia Etoto Edima Vusampofu Makada. Na Vusampofu I calm and I love that. Na the Ekosono Mbwa. Esedun Ketia is an institution when it comes to political administration. He's the longest serving general secretary in
maybe I tell you general elections
because Reggie would be free constitution called Reggie and then Reggie to national.
Who's the honor? They will manage the situation.
Senior one I do once I become mild because I have great respect for you. I only caution say Esedun Ketia senior mosquito on take it easy. Yeah, what is it? So what you do here? Who here the debia? What does it? So in this for some two Obama general secretary. They know how they are going to vote.
Yeah, but I am a bit surprised with the Esedun Ketia. A certain video be a share. The response directly and indirectly to the current chairman. I think it's not.
It is low below the belt.
I guess Esedun Ketia no. Meaning say because
heat in
pray for
heat in Akano.
They should manage it well because if it's not managed well.
For example, say we are brave and just about patakari. Now we catapult move from what you guys are saying. Tie. We are shouting. Now we are brave. We to now we to so too my way. Na enu.
But you know also feature jada ho.
Emboa.
So so feature jada ho.
Me nka me ho. Anti ya besre.
Oh, di kwate. Oh, you guys say. Oh, we are witnessing you see me here na me tie bi. Hey, the man pay wa kuguduro kasapa o. Na etiwa muze na ehozo etiwa is. There we NDC for them. Bread and butter matters. This country is being governed by.
At top line, let me tell you what do me somewhere. Tata so
but let's be careful. We admit and acknowledge that we are not in normal times. So the suggestion to Ghanaians is say, yeah, just we cannot pretend that we are in normal times. But the Honorable Tetechai, even though we are not in normal times, there is a way out of this abnormality. But your man pay, or compound your problems near challenges, at the buy. My try homra, your full scale conversation on Addo. And then I am pure.
And then you are me sure said bien for the baby.
Yeah, Kwaba. Also, I Adom TV, Badwam Mpensenpensemu, and Kofi Job, and Badwam Mpensenpensemu, for Quino, and a new diversion, Badwam. So we are the 2-1 more. Yache, Yena see none more draw my attention to that. And Kofi Job, Yamishra, you are almost 80% through with your Quino. God bless you for hard work for Ahafo any Ghana.
Kukum Ediko, that bad road, no. Kukum Quino.
Kofi Job inti.
Enu na wakano.
There be the from can say
to Kenya.
Okay. So God bless you for that. But we
now one and a year.
There's a diversion to go here, but there's a diversion. Alexibom it's a new one for new site, Alexibom construction. I don't know. So yes, a diversion.
And then free Krubes we are Krubes.
Alexibom is oh sure. Well, for diversion, but I will go into America for that. Rather, make sure address is they need a more.
Because from Machelezua to Shidim to go so.
Yeah. So we now know diversionary just for us not to go to the actual.
Oh, it's not like that. Please go.
One short time. See, 30 minutes there also.
Go ahead.
On the other 5 minutes now.
Go ahead.
So, Honorable, tell us what is happening. Nanado's quest to fight illegal mining and Nanado's responses to Ghanaians through the Tona or Kono, and if there is any assurances on the mind in times like this.
As for Galamsey fight today, is a fighter and young Pabako Ejuma. Na onse mo media for no, and there was a bomber basso for your continuous advocacy in the fight against Galamsey. Na Galamsey dia maka, it is the worst form of terrorism. Ewo kromwa. Na we share cyanide, we share mercury. Yedi gu suimu yedi gu gold nyina no. Ekuye pa na we ye timemuni we ye party ba. Na we dey we see Galamsey no beya. Then you are contributing in the murder of people around these areas. No people can say, ye think cry, any crew, fufro bi so no. Ye mo na ye gina Galamsey no mu pa, but the people who are right in the heart of the Galamsey no, ye hu de omo ye. Mami fa kwanya we so na me draw my attention and fan call. Say kasa ni ye kan nyina no. E wo so mo sorry. Because so no e say wo no, me nimu sensu. Kwaye na e say me e ho na me nya na me tie. So the fight of Galamsey na Addo akano. And shall say what na breso. A shall but nini breso yi and a jinamua ubi aka ubi. And the wajatum say kwembia I will say obwa na Galamsey no esotiano. Okuso oyo. Na we share measures lands and natural resources for the do for more. Omodu edibuano so. Omwani emfanko na yedi chiri. You see forest reserve is a kwaya and what's will be to the 9 at the call. Na Forestry Commission for no any minerals commission. So one will be permit, one will be license, reconnaissance license. What's the reconnaissance license? Just onko exploration, onko tutu anosho benyebi, ututuha. Na ya money pano kwine reconnaissance no tio senior and na auto excavator ejago no ututu. That means that more mineral commission pay for you are equally culpable. A juma was say mu no mu nhweda enya se juma no. And say move for money the infantry. Even they said minister said they should suspend all licenses. And the forest na reserve no obi anko enko twedua enko ye mining bibia e free go. Na kobra ye kan we wie so a excavators must suggest bibi. Excavator bia e free ko fufuro so. Eco mining towns. For me, it was a police NBNI. NIB. Me, I'm used to the old school. NIB. Police must grant permits except say what do call constructional purpose. What do call construction? That's what do call. When you could do sad district, sad side that would call jumana. Permit now police for their mouth, every cry, every kumase, and the side now would go. The district officer there must have a look at it. Now, the construction. Period of the was site, you need to monitor it. Under no circumstance, or say, excavator, a fan, na emfanko sikwa ebumwa, otutu, amnana, or the sensono, ediamaye. So, the fight against Galamsey, President Akufo-Addo, wakanji siso, oguswa, oku. Na, enyo nunkwani die, osre, se yembe buano. Na se yeboanwa mi gide pa kacha bi say betumi eku e dey reduce the extent of Galamsey na aboyen because the Ghana water nsuo ye no no bi ba studio me dey twum berima la twum berima me dey kire wo tako achampem sina wo bie tap no a e wo video me yi ye pon me ya kire wo tap nsuo na ba no black like coffee Identity was say sikape sabi who ye mining ye legal mining. President Akufo-Addo is not against mining. Me Titus Glover, I'm not against mining, but I'm against Galamsey. Because in so na the fact is that I am black no so I am contaminated. Want to be fine ye a good hunam krano e be say hunam anganga be ko unipedumu enti Galamsey fight in there I was saying nyina ye de mu ajimbi na mo media for no so yembo mabaso na efa economy yesika 72 year and the last 2 weeks no mampene was sentimemu echo rounds na de ba kwa na me pe wo ne hu say once a while na wa program ne hu say wo so tu no edical regions no yenkɔhwɛ adwuma na ɔyɛ ne wɔ fam sɛ be nye de bia na report be fa chief of staff so e de beto de nim ɔkenkan wo so ɔkɔ fam no nko hu dia ɔyɛ ne wɔ nto ba sentiment no so be kai a ɔkɔ bie Asante Achim Central Konongo Eurojet Hospital no started na kofo and this for be kakra entuma wie na obaye wako wie so wie bi mu a enya nkofo enya yarehye na ade owie so na odani nani edi call your friend is saying honorable Natoshi judges appeal judges bibi omeda edi aye adwuma nya no na ayedene I say otum for mo asase kakra wo call regional coordinating councillor me ba ho no kra me irae and me ko pio ho na me move e ho na me hu say e ho ni na ye dani at least 20 new constructed furnished accommodation for our judges our judicial service e bo mo djuma o wi esu no di nani e kire Buankra inland ports this has been a vision of President Kufuor NDC for buy they never saw it as a priority but Addo $300 million na yedi no covid the buy no it affected the whole program and then okohoro wako hu adwuma na ye wo Atlantic Ashanti Port Services Limited is a consortium so the box is a free tema airco Burkina airco Mali airco Niger no e be twaso e wo Kumasi so that they can shorten the distance na yedi so the concept itself of Brankrano is so good. But the Krakrano, yet we are rail so come on, na Amabibia complete. But in the absence of the rail, no, they've done some few analysis. Actually, say they can continue with the road services. The boxes by Buankra, then they can transfer it all the way to Tachalete up north. Now, Ofri Hono so far, Ashanti region, almost 57, one district, one factory. Under construction. Year 27 out of the 57. A total of 27,196 jobs has been created. Ewo 1D1F. The concept, the vision of the president of 1D1F is all about import substitution.
Munim the ACC Ghana.
I don't mean the ACC.
No me busaka.
Na diame kana na minka nyaba azabara. Na say you see factories. You see factories 27 out of 57.
No me busa say.
Na sem na wo bisa me no bia na wo ko
party no. Munim the ACC.
You would know, yes, we know what is happening.
DNAC.
Because baby say what yes baby.
Baby say you are talking about the economy. The economy, I'm giving you the reason why the pressure, the speculations amount for $80 nature. A time is coming, dollar no, and when you say we got $2, no one holding, just to speculate, because people are rushing to get the dollar.
We in charge of this, you know.
But is MPP not in government?
No, is under.
Is MPP
being
not in government?
Is different from being in charge.
Please, dear economy, we have short supply of dollar in our system because people are deliberately buying this dollar to store them. We just here.
We in charge.
We are still in charge. We are in government. We know what is happening. And we know what is happening. And the president is not a saint. Oh, because they are not at all. And the anamono kono akwanto no to the on your platform now or church in nemu e di catch na say minim bia koso na sere na mesere anamum bia wo so otuo na ema yesika entutu enyina no ezikofo no say me ubayi mesisa ma pack me language ado I've packed it because the cost of the fuel is so expensive me to anya samin to me ba me the pick up and I made them. So you understand? So
I want
clearly
you to give us a prescription. I don't think the NPP knows what they are talking about.
Oh, what are you talking?
Honestly, I don't think.
Are you saying that what I'm saying is not right?
No, I'm saying not you.
That is not. No. What
not
I'm saying?
You. I'm saying the
NPP. I'm here. I'm here. I'm talking. No, I'm talking rubbish.
Oh.
What kind of language is that? Me bahasa me make check because you see 1D1F now. Sa import nyama na on my fruit juice. ceramics, they're free China. We have one here.
Okay,
that is all about the import and substitution.
Well, as we are speaking now, me name someone Tigana for hours here.
Yanti saying, Yati.
Okay. I'm how near there.
Oh, now the what's the Buzana?
It is because the pressure of the city on the dollar. That's all it's all about. Because prices exist almost every other time.
No. Right now,
what time you don't laugh.
Big what day? Oh, see me bad you. David,
and this is when younger no, they are happy because it's to their political advantage.
No, but
this one too shall pass.
No, to come as a crew.
Yeah, go for don't can say. I don't consider anything.
Because NDC for to crew.
And I'm be able to be obesisano. Obey.
Okay.
Well, Kataja no you be go.
In Pabo Fire. Oh, what my chair, I don't know. The best no, but why? I didn't the more solution in your final piece. No,
oh, my, oh, I'm a more and yet nipa back and a yedi boam, yet a amanusim. We are banner yet two abamawa. Omo motu abane mawo ene omo amantu abane mawo no omo nyina ka ho ena wama mo no ebe successful enti de bia no me ka say ugine nipa enima tie nipa no eka na fa no eka sabi nimdie a Nyankopon ede amawo a eno nti no amanfo gina so eto aba ede mawo ano ena betumi aboa government bi aba ewo ye 1992 constitution yimu one of the other no ono so nya financial challenges before but kwan so a ode be fa ebe ma amanfo ho ebe hihan omo no eno ne ade a ehia and this time yako ayehin mu bisa wanyene some nyamo kai but say at that time no aban no enim say sabi nimdie a Nyankopon eni baakufo 18 minutes no aban nan kasa efre Ghana mpanyinfo a omo nimdie ewo economy ho say yen nyina yen tenase na mpe kwan so a ebetumi a solve problem yi ompa yenyina yetena ase adwunkyire ebae ansa omobeba yamamuo mu no na economy na yeden a stabilize. That is the wisdom of our former president John Dramani Mahama. Nanado eba akunwa yi mu no papa ne say ono ni ministers omobua no eye ejuma di winning power no sabi omumpe ena enimdie ewo mutirimu enti se bibi nko yie kra na wo ka papa ne se omoa na ogidi se ombetumi aye ejuma no enti ebinu ti se titles no mu se ya pakiom enu ena ma ene MPP ene ye nyina akohye kwaso mu a obia every Dr. Baumia de no kan kire Ghana fo e wo kromo anu de bia anu ena motu ayampia enye sana mo kan ayamp enu nko a ye multi stage oh ye ni economic messiahs ye see economy a ye na ye wo ho no mu ene Dr. Baumia ohye Dr. Baumia no pe mi chia o economic management team na obebo amu abaso no ene omo wo hinfa omahine de bia me ka se bibi ye teku no bi ka kire o se sa de na ye teku no me ba Messi samana kofoma ya ye to aba no we should hold those people accountable. And yeah, NDC, and the country Ghana for say, dollar no, ya di to me more. Dollar no, or member is Ghana cedi no, and young one day. O man say dollar, 3.7 cedis, $1, 3.7 cedis. No big country will say, Utu abamana or no ba a government more. Obema cedi no, and young one day, I say anything.
Eso baby jina pa. Dollar na wo de so betia e betikura.
Enti say 3.7 na e chese be kwa he.
Say bafo.
Thank you. Dr. Bromia ni policy na no. And a Ghana for ball say edit ti papa yi. And na me be mati say $1 no e 14.7 we interbank.
We also 100 kwa interbank.
Aha. Enti uko Forest Bureau ni nyamanyama na e be 15 point something. Na me hwe bibi wo Bloomberg. Omo say countries e what we are seeing mu nyina. Ye ka musika asema Ghana and that war. Nanado amambo no. Eno so me boa. Bloomberg me boa. Eno ano no. Omahini me na me kra nyama ba omahimbo. Me jai. I just said, me shada na me jayu, me see kanu ayede. Ashi. Because at the time I made me products ebe o me na $3.6 no. And that dollar no 15 cedis. Enti sika na me share ejuma no mu no. Sika ni nyina ashi. Ni nyina ashi. And that is the reason why for the first time in the history of this country Gutafo, you can't institutional.
Hey, it can't be true. Now the dollar is 16.97.
Adjei,
I don't want to believe it. I'm just getting the information.
I know that honeymoon. Me say,
I'm checking mommy because I'm just.
Auntie, no more than nyama mudi beni na.
Yatia nambo.
Yes. Musika nashi. That is the truth. And he said. 10 containers na odi ba the time 3 pen sa sika no betumi ato ana meboa. It's as simple as that. Na near ya ne say the president is not ready to acknowledge the fact he say o minor obetu ye no watete no to the extent say yentumi recognize Ghana e wo ba bia bio. Say institutions are already countries in terms of I send almost bomb modding na almost Ghana almost here to the junk status. Junk status, you know. This is a baller. That's the word. The word, you know, a baller. And I say unra. Since almost Ghana, no, ye unra. That is the status, almost Ghana atu. And then Addo. Addo way is a bit see that. Now. Iyama we nyina ekoso no Ghana fo e ka kire o se yesika na ekofom no obi na o manage yesika edimaye wankasa unwia na e manage Ghana sika wankasa u vice president na ye the leader of the economic management team impenyifo a wo memu nyina omo finance omo being wom can say inkofo a wodi omo atu yesika semu so the governor of the Bank of Ghana inkofo na wo honum nyina no omo ni ye no embua Ghana e kan ko up to now okomo a atemdidie eno de ma Ghana fo na enu amiti bibi kra nko de west ye pesere ya hinfu ni bia omoyo mu say politics no mbeye no mu hwo mu kasa mu yiye last week na me wa hanu na America even send ya year treaty president no na so we ya hinfu na nyama nko yiye na sabi wo benefit from the system na wo kasa enkonko ka che Ghana for say obi a o kasa etia president ni bia no senye beyi a na ede. It is an insult.
Are you sure he said that thing?
Anope is all over.
No. Please.
One take asano.
Are you sure?
Me say one take asano.
Say obi already. O kasetia Ghana mampenyi ebre ti same no. Say enye beyi
Me enya me wanwa. He's a beneficiary of the system. Me boy. He's a beneficiary of the system.
I want to give Ochehini the benefit of the doubt. Me sure so be no.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
It will be unfair on our part.
On our part.
On the part of because knowing Ochehini.
Someone say president no
representative
he will not speak the way.
No. That's what I'm saying.
And let us be fair to him.
Yes.
Na yentie clip.
Maybe a contest be na wako fana mo fair dia.
And yenye careful.
Onu ankasa.
Yenye careful.
Omahini. Anope ya bubo bote ko no sa.
Utie bi.
Let me tell you.
Na minti anga me.
Let me tell you.
Look, Omahini, people are angry. It is who ne me ne titles. Yeah, and I was a young Ghana for Akuma Eden. Because share Obi wo hon me no kase say you know. A month sika onye di kofie into 1,000 Ghana cedis. Into 1,000 Ghana cedis. Oh. Ayi oil oil all the be aduane wo fie ebo no is about 1/3 and I say 1/4 of my salary.
750 he say yellow gallon.
What you say? Enti ni akoso no president no na no kasa enye kasa ebema amanfo ayi your friend say
wakoma to
ayi yaw na amafo efemu no ebe kofom wo ministers omugugu honum bebre emfa ho anka at this time ahukire bobrobo akayen no this is the time for you to help solve the situation but won debia you can say the president he doesn't care because sa efie no ye ka omusi mayenka sa family and friends governance no bibi omunya bia no benefit yom tama ye ka wo Ghana hanum ato force no mu e ka say the penchant of the finance minister to go out and borrow was the fact he said the companies were benefiting from the borrowing, you know. Want to me ankasa. Abahini, what's with you? When obian to me ankasa said near atu forcing air cano the cre. You see today, sa borrowing no mo borrow yano. Omu nya hu isi hu no and it says na cano. Infaso no ono ni company o. Sika bi o ma borrow bia no omu e no mu nya ehu fees and charges no. Anameboa. The company, nobody can deny it. Or no, deputy finance minister. And we knew what was happening. Say, look, ye tu tokrobi ama omaino akoshem.
Ini yetu no.
Sha, yen danya kupansi say IMF abim. Say IMF ambem wanka. Anka by this time no, yen nyina ya so line.
Badwam Mpensenpensemu na fe wrap up.
I want
to listen to the production team.
Thank you.
Listen. So that's been kujina baby in Kaza. MT Ochehini nsem okai no. Ba cho my volume ne ente.
Okasa.
Ya, unya pani. Ya titu fifie mu asori mu a unya pani. Senye se krasi ni na wo obaifo. Ebisa mi nim ade a papa no a yaka wiase fa na nyina obi yaka. Onyame no hira yin no de we mai. Enti ye mpanyifo na no ye manage ni ye a Ghana nkobi ato yen. ye ye ni ye gold nyame de kye anya ya be hu se ba bia gold ye manage ni ye by his leadership obi ento ye and osofo mo na mo ko aka kire ye ahemfo enso wo sa ana ohia oti ba bia ohun 40,000 cedis da no akohu na nadu du so
you know,
it was an advice he was sharing to the church.
let's be careful with this advice.
Because
The chieftaincy institution, the reason why me are restrained, and I say, me senior brother, I'm so restrained. I cannot go beyond the game. Very restrained. But mama, I'm so restrained. Honestly, I'm very restrained.
And then I will free Kenya say na unya brother.
Oh, the other side time. Every time. Oh, yeah.
Kenya say na I go dia dia.
Let's say, oh, mommy freaking, mommy freaking, mommy have freaking. Oh, they are diabetes, was the apple.
Oh, mommy. Who's Kenya say? Na Kenya say. Me no have.
Apple.